Check me out. Listen, yo, I'm finna give y'all a step-by-step how to get connected to the PAMM account, making 1 to 4% a day, hands-free. Today, we bust 5% hands-free. All right, so let's get it. All right, we got my boy here in the flesh. I'm gonna turn my camera off so you won't see me no more. Boom, camera's going. All right, let's do it. So can you hear me loud and clear?
Yep.
All right, now go to, first show me your wallet. Go to wallet. So first step, sorry, everybody, first step, you see his link at the top. Put your cursor over your link over here, mydominionmarkets.com. At the top, yeah. So right here, go to but go to dominionmarkets.com, Google it, search dominionmarkets.com. Start an account, open your account, then this is gonna be your first steps, okay? So boom, after you make your account, you're gonna be here on this home page. So first, go to dashboard. First step, go to dashboard. All right, this is what you see first. Your very first step should be clicking this deposit button. So click deposit, bro. You're gonna click deposit, you're gonna deposit your money. So I deposit with Bitcoin. It's fast. I have Bitcoin on hand. It's fast. You can send it. Gets there in like 30 minutes, depending on, you know what I'm saying, depending on the time and all that. The Bitcoin deposit is the smoothest, easiest, or you can do debit card. Right? Click fiat, bro. Boom. You can use your debit card, but that might take a day or 2 days to deposit. All right. So cool. Go up to the top. After you deposit your money, you'll see your money show deposit successful. Then you click the wallets. Click over here, go to wallets. After your money clear and you're deposited, you come over here to wallets. Now you're gonna deposit. No, we already deposited, right?
Yeah.
So your account will say so and so dollars in it. Okay. So now your next step, first step, you go to the link. Second step, you deposit your money right here in your wallet. Next, you go to funds. Go to funds. Now we're going to transfer. Go to transfer. So we need to send our money we deposited to our payment account. So go to from account. All right, cool. So did you deposit yet, bro?
I did, and I already moved it to my payment account.
Beautiful. So, but your payment account says 0 though, unless you have another one.
I transferred it to an investment account. That's what.
All right, beautiful. So transfer, click over this. So you're gonna have to transfer, and under fiat, that's where you deposit your money. So if you want to start with 1,000, it's gonna say 1,000 USD from fiat. Then you're gonna click to your payment account. Got it? Then you click transfer amount, your full, whatever you deposited, 1,000. Cool. Then you click the word transfer at the bottom, and then it'll say transfer successful instantly. Okay, so first step, go to the link, make an account. Second step, go to wallets and deposit your money. Third step, go to funds and transfer your funds to your MT5 payment account. Next step, you go to, on the far left, click the word PAMM. Beautiful.
I did this twice because it wasn't working. So
that's beautiful. In a
this
few
one's
days,
good.
it'll fall off if you're not using it. All right, so now, all right, I see your investment account, 956, beautiful. All right, at the top, go to leaderboard. This is the next step. It's how you connect. On the second row, look for mine. Third row, look for Bruce's 1 to 4, right here, boom. You can click it right there. At the top right, click subscribe to account. Now create an investment account. No matter where you have your money at, just create an investment account. All right, now go to fund manager. That's beautiful, currency USD. Now check the box. We're gonna open an account. Beautiful. Click continue. This is beautiful right here. Next, check the at the top. Change your account name. See if you can go to the other account. Click it. Okay, cool. So that's 0. All right. So at the bottom, check the box and click subscribe to an account. Subscribe to a master account. Perfect. All right, let's click make a deposit. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, your payment account is 0. Gotcha. So right here, guys, where you deposit your money, it'll say $1,000 payment account, right? So then you go transfer to my investment account, then you put 1,000 as your amount, then you click deposit. And that's literally all you have to do to connect. Then on my side, that's when I log in on my side and accept your deposit. If it's over $250, I accept your deposit, and then boom, you're connected just like that. So now let's figure out why yours says 0, bro. So let's find your money. At the top, go to on the top right there on your investment account name, click accounts. Yeah. Go to your RR investment account. Beautiful. From payments to 0. Make a deposit now.
Maybe
so
I
go
should
to withdraw.
Yeah.
All right, 2 payment account. Yeah, so do that. Perfect. Withdraw the full amount. See, y'all listen, the first step is deposit, then you connect, then you deposit. Get it? Deposit the real money, connect to it, then you know what I'm saying? Deposit again. It sounds confusing, but it's very simple. All right, so what did it say? All right, so now let's go do it again. Or just go back to your other account. So click RR investment account and go to your yellow investment account, 336. That's the one we just made, right? This is the one we just made. All right, click subscriptions on the left. Beautiful. You already subscribed to the master account. Now, so go to deposit. This is beautiful. So from payment account to investment account, put in your full amount, $956.79. This is exactly how we just troubleshoot it for every problem right here. Deposit. Beautiful. Now on my side, I log in. I log in on my side and then I accept it. And that's literally it. So this is when you message me on Telegram using the link in the channel. By messaging me, find me on Facebook, Instagram, wherever. But the link is in the Telegram channel to message me in order to see your deposit and accept it so you can start making money as soon as we do. Okay? So, bro, you are literally connected. I'm about to actually complete it and log in with you on the phone.
Heck yeah.
And we're going to get it rolling, bro. So that's literally how everybody can connect. It's that simple. It's kind of confusing, but it's that simple. Give me 10 seconds.
So how do I track how my money is doing?
All right, I'll show you. Go to statistics. Boom. You'll see your deposit in a second, so I click it. All right, I'm logging in right now. All right, I go to deposit request, and what do I see? A 956. Now I'm clicking execute. Boom, balance is executed. Refresh your page, boss.
There we go.
Just like that, you're connected. So that's how simple it is. It takes literally 5 minutes, 7 minutes, however long this video is, to get connected to the PAMM so we can make long-term money. Let's grow, bro. Let's grow. How you feeling?
I'm pumped. This is awesome.
Let's fucking go, bro. We're about to double this shit in a fucking month or 2.
Hell yeah.
Let's grow. All right, bro. I'm done. I'm finna stop the movie.
Sweet.
I'm finna stop the video now. All right, man. I'm out.